Good morning, everyone. Beautiful early morning here, Friday morning in northern Cebu, Philippines, and we are already hiking the mountains. So, yeah, what a beautiful morning. And I'm very grateful because I simply woke up today and I'm healthy. I can think well, and I am able to move my body. So I hope you are doing well wherever you are watching from. And I'm sending my love and prayers to the war zones, the nations that are in trouble right now, especially Israel and Iran, and Russia and Ukraine, and all of the countries that have conflicts right now. It's hard to really think about it when I am such in a peaceful place and other countries in the world are having a hard time trying to sleep, thinking of when the missile is coming again, or where are they going to get the food that they need, or when is the war going to end. So to me, being conscious and aware about those is crucial, so I can move my day forward with a grateful heart, knowing that no matter how much I have right now, I am still blessed because I am not in the war zone. So yeah, we're just gonna have a little chat while I'm walking. So I will have a class at 8 a.m. So I'll be home in 30 minutes or so. But yes, it's good to be out here to get some exercise, to feel good and be grateful that I am still alive. I will have my kids later in the day after school. Their dad will bring them back to me. So I'll have them until Monday. So I have an opportunity to work, to come up here in the mountains and plant some things and get my exercise. Personally, I try to really get exercise and sweat, because I'm not gonna feel good if I don't have exercise, if I'm not out in nature. I just have this special connection with nature that is unexplainable, incomprehensible. You know, I believe that nature has helped me so much in the past 5 years after pandemic and the loss of our farm in the US, my loss of residency and my loss of my marriage and a lot of losses and failures in businesses, scams. You know, I've already went through a lot. And being able to, you know, be here in the moment has helped me. Being able to see that it's beautiful. Being able to see that life is more than our desires to have more. Life is more than the material achievements that we have. And no matter how smart we get, no matter how smart we are, we cannot really control life. It is totally beyond our control, and life is always uncertain. So I am here now, and I am making the best out of it. And to me, I'm gonna have to enjoy as much as I can with what I have, because now is the only reality right here, right now. If I think of my past, it's not really anymore. And if I think of my future, that's not even real at all. So what is real? Even the words that I'm speaking right now is not real anymore after I have spoken them. So what is really real? Nothing is real. Everything is truly illusion. And everything is just a passing segment. It's time is just, it continues to evolve as we speak, and everything that we speak is going to the past. But we try to keep things right. We try to think that everything can be permanent, but of course not. Nothing is permanent. Everything is temporary. So I have come to understand that I cannot hold things in place, not people, not money, not material things. What I can hold in place is the peace and joy that I feel within, that's coming from within me. I cannot expect joy and happiness and peace from the outside world, because all I experience is coming from within me. It's very interesting because we all come to this world expecting for things to happen, to unfold our ways. We think we are in control, so we try to work so hard. And we try to build houses, build businesses. We try to be famous, you know, succeed. And in the end, I notice a lot that we lose our sense of life, our sense of being human. We become human doings instead of human beings. And knowing that we are created from the image and likeness of God, we have everything we need right within us. And even the birds don't have to worry about their lives. So that means we need to really go back to who we truly are as natural human beings. Nature has always been here for us, and I have come to see that and appreciate nature more than ever. When I was a farmer back in the US, I have seen nature provided over and over. Though sometimes there's the seasons that we are not in control of, which we have to understand that there's a time for waiting, that we have to be patient in everything that we try to do. So over and over, nature just fascinates me. Wow. We are in the valley already. And so there's this Siniguelas, which is really delicious. So, just like I said, nature has always provided. And look at this one. My uncles own this. So we're gonna try and pick a few and enjoy a couple bites. There you go. So it's just beautiful to see nature keeps giving. It's amazing. When I was young, I used to come here and sit here, have fun, and just climb and enjoy this beautiful Siniguelas tree. And until now, it's still here. It keeps giving. So over and over, there you go. Over and over, nature has provided. And I have no right to complain. Look at this. So we are in the valley already, and I can hear chickens. It's very delicious. So this is my ordinary life. When you're having a glance of it all. There's coconuts, bananas. Look at that. There's goats, guavas. I mean, this is peaceful. And so today I don't have all the money that I need, but I will have food for everybody to survive for the whole day. So I'm gonna live with that. And tomorrow, I'm not gonna worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow will worry itself. Okay? So thank you guys for watching. I hope you get to exercise today you are in absolutely beautiful state of mind and is enjoying life. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.